The GoPro Hero 10 Black shoots incredible photos and epic videos. This course will teach you how to unlock the full potential of the GoPro Hero 10, and it'll give you the filmmaking and photography skills to take your footage to the next level. You will learn the best settings for photo, video, and time-lapse, and how to get the highest quality footage out of the camera. Then we'll break down the free GoPro Quick app to teach you how to make an epic video in under 10 minutes. This course features over 3 hours of video with real-life examples from professional productions with top athletes around the world. I'm an action sports and adventure filmmaker, author, and content creator. I previously worked on staff with the GoPro Media Team, traveling around the world, shooting and editing some of their YouTube videos, commercials, and launch videos. In this course, I'll share some of the secrets to getting the best looking footage out of the camera and making incredible edits.